Hey guys, so unfortunately my drone is no longer in operational condition. I'll show you about that. I'll tell you why it's in the snow first, and why this rotor isn't moving either. So the reason why it's in the snow is because when I flew it in the house, I crashed it and I realized that only this rotor was turning. All the others were stopped. The drone started smoking from the canopy of the drone. The top, this part, started smoking. And then when I tried turning off the controller, the drone wouldn't shut off. So here it is, it's still running. The rotor is still spinning. So, and the reason why it's in the snow is because it was smoking, so what I had to do was stick the drone in the snow. The propeller is still moving, so yeah, I'm not quite sure what to do about this. It's really odd. It's just this rotor spinning. We had so many great flights with it, but it's finally time that we scrap it. So what I'm going to do later is I'm going to take the drone in and I'm going to take it apart and yeah, dispose of it basically. So yeah. Alright, that'll be later. Till then, here it is. Rotor's still moving. I even try to stop it. It continues to run. So, I mean, gotta put it to rest. Sorry. Well, that's the fate of this drone. We had good flights with it, good night flights, good daytime flights. It was a good drone, and hopefully I can get another new drone soon, or a new RC helicopter, you know. But, yep. Fortunately, that's what happened to this one. Oh. I'll see you guys soon. We'll take it apart eventually, at some point. So, yeah. See you guys when we take it apart. Well, I had to cover it with some more snow because, you know, just to be safe, right? And look at it now. It's just the propeller sticking out of the snow, spinning. I covered the entire drone because I could smell the battery when I took it out. I could smell the battery when I took the drone out of the snow, so I stuck it in some more snow just to be safe. That's why there's just a lone propeller sticking out of the snow, spinning right now. So if you see that, don't be alarmed. You know. But yeah, there you have it. Alright, I'll see you guys soon.